Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make any video cinematic. So if you want to make your videos look like movies even if you're just using a phone, in this tutorial I'll show you the basics of cinematic lighting that will instantly upgrade your video quality. So first, you can use natural light smartly. First, natural light is your best friend, so you can shoot near a window but not under direct sunlight. You want that soft, diffuse glow. And for the pro tip, you need to face the window at a 45-degree angle for depth and drama. You can also use overlay text like Windows mean that it's a free softbox. Second step, you can use a key light for control. So for consistency, you can get a budget-friendly LED light. Even a ring light or desk lamp works. So position it slightly above eye level and at a 45-degree angle to your face. So this is your key light. You can add tissue paper or a white t-shirt in front to soften the light. And next, you can also create depth with backlight. So to make it cinematic, add depth. You can place a soft backlight or small lamp behind you to separate you from the background. But if you don't have extra light, you can use your phone's flashlight, bounce off a wall or reflector. This is optional, but you can also add RGB lights or fairy lights in the background for ambience. And lastly, you can use a practical light. So if you want that cinematic vibe, you can use a practical light like a lamp, LED strip, or candle in frame. So it will add warmth and storytelling to your shot. And that's how you can make any video look cinematic even with a basic gear. Like this video if it helped, hit subscribe for more creator tips, and don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!